Learn how to make these cute Christmas ornaments from scratch. It's a fun, recycled idea for kids and adults. Cover the wood slice with black acrylic paint. Let the wood slice dry completely. We are creating a painted neon effect. Use Artistro white paint pens and start outlining the snowflake. Use 3 different shades of blue to outline the snowflake. With Artistro Extra White Fine-Tipped Marker, add a highlight inside the line. Be careful and keep your hands steady. This is a cute addition to your tree, agree? Let's recycle some packaging into gorgeous cardboard ornaments. Cut the cardboard into several pieces and grab Artistro's medium-tipped marker in the color white. Outline the star, the ginger house, the mitten, and the shoe with a pencil and cut them out. Once your Christmas cardboard cutouts are done, it's time to have fun decorating them with a faux stitched effect and ornaments. They look really lovely, made small as DIY decorations for the Christmas tree. For the next ornaments, we will need colored paper, scissors, glue, and Artistro white paint pens. Outline the glass to make a perfect circle. Cut 4 circles with the scissors. Fold the circles in half and put the hanger inside the ornament and stick together all sides. Add a pattern to the ornament with a marker. For the next ornament, we will need used bulbs. Paint one bulb white with acrylic paint and the other brown. Let them dry completely. Glue the piece of felt with double-sided tape. Grab Artistro medium-tipped markers and paint a deer. Cut the antlers out of cardboard and stick to the bulb. Add highlights with white marker. Paint the snowman on the second white bulb. A fun and easy Christmas craft for kids and grown-ups. Merry Christmas from Artistro.